I'm going to Europe for the very first time for 3 whole weeks, and this is the state of my room. I leave to Europe in 5 days. Right. 5 days might be enough for you to pack. I have a very busy week. And I'm a severe overpack with the shopping addiction. Yeah, let's get to packing. Somehow, some way, I have to fit 3 weeks worth of life in here, which doesn't seem that bad, but I just know I can't do it. Like, seriously, I can't even fit 3 days worth of things into a carry-on. How the hell am I gonna fit 3 weeks worth of things in here? I don't know if I need an outfit for going out. I don't know if I'm going to a beach club. I don't know if I'm going on a boat. I don't know if I'm going... I don't know. I don't know. This is all coming true. No, but seriously, where the hell do I start? Let's start with what we know I'm for sure taking and for sure wearing. Like I said, I have a little shopping addiction, so I did go out, I know, and I bought us a couple outfits. Look at this set. It is this beautiful top with this gorgeous matching skirt. Ugh, it's gorgeous. I can wear this together and it's gonna be a gorge outfit, but I will for sure be wearing the skirt with something else. I also went and got this set right here and these gorgeous matching little shorts. I also got this set right here. Look at this. I am obsessed. This matching shirt. I'm obsessed. I also went and bought these gorgeous shorts. I also have some like dresses that I've gotten or I'm borrowing, and then I have some like basics that like have been in my closet, but I cannot take them to Europe. So as of right now, I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12 outfits. Not too shabs. Not too shab. 13 outfits, I think I said. 11? I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4. 11 outfits will just not cut it, because these outfits behind me are outfits that I would wear like throughout the whole day. So I need to find a couple more outfits that also give that vibe. I still need outfits that are also going to be good for going out like nighttime, like dinner, drinks, like very fancy if we want to go to a really fancy spot. I don't know, we might get lucky too, maybe go to some concerts or something fun. So I definitely want like to bring some fun pieces for stuff that we maybe don't necessarily have planned, but like we're definitely looking to do things like that. Like, I don't know, we might go to the Bad Bunny concert. We might go to a little DJ house type of situation. Like, who knows? Now that we have the outfits that like I kind of have always known that I was gonna take and like bring and like wear, yeah, I don't know what to do now. I don't know where to go from here. It might not fully seem like it, but there's piles. So that's all beach stuff. Those are like my no pile that I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna take. These are all like going out top, even though it seems a little crazy. These are all bottoms, and then these are all like vacation-y, like very beach type of dresses and sets that I would very much just wear to like a specific location. So this kind of has to go over here. These are all like basic top. These are like the accessories, more fancy kind of like going out dresses vibes. I was just wearing this earlier. I genuinely want to be very intentional with what I take, and right now I'm trying to build outfits, but I know I'm gonna start recycling some pieces and like grabbing the shorts and being like, okay, I can wear this with a different top one day or at a different city, do this and like whatever, because I really do want to take the least amount that I can. Not only like the whole airport situation, but I genuinely don't think I have the strength to be like carrying them around flights of stairs or like cobblestone, whatever, everything everybody says. Like, I know myself, and in the heat and with these little arms, I've been working out, guys, but I don't think we're quite there yet to be carrying who knows how heavy that's gonna be. I am getting a little stressed, girl. I really am. Okay, this is a dress. You're supposed to be over here. I'm losing the organization here. Also, I'm literally wearing like my gym set under this, and I have white dress pants on. Like, what is this outfit? Only only God knows. So I think the best bet is to literally just go on Pinterest, start scrolling on what the girls are wearing. I was scrolling through Pinterest and I kept seeing yellow. I have this top right here that's just so comfortable. I love the shade of yellow and I really like how they fit. And there's this dress that I'm taking, like I'm already taking it, so it's perfect and she's gored. But I was thinking, what if I wore it as a skirt for another day? Hire me as your stylist right now, because how did I make this dress into the most gorgeous skirt? Like, I think I might even love this. Okay, just tuck that back. It's so cute. But if I did want a little set moment, I could do this yellow top, or I could, you know, simplify it. I have this. No. Ooh, where's that top? Ooh, oh my god, wait. Wait, where is that top? This top right here that I love how it fits. I love wearing it. It's so flattering, but it is a different yellow, so I don't know if that throws it off a little bit. I don't know. Now I'm gonna be able to wear this as a dress and as a skirt, and I don't have to pack 2 extra things. Reduce, reuse, recycle. 1 outfit, put this on top, 2 outfits. So now I have 11, 12, 13. Now that I did that, I kind of want to look at my dresses that I didn't think on bringing because I've worn them so much, but now I'm thinking I could wear them or rewear them as a skirt. Perhaps this one? I don't know. I took out 3 more dresses. This one, honestly, I feel like I should take it regardless. Like, I don't know why I didn't take it out. Just because it's a nice flowy linen dress. I also have this one. I don't know where I could wear it, but I feel like I could make it into like this could be a fun skirt. Or is it ugly? I don't know. I wore that to Cabo one time and it was really cool, but I don't know if it's the vibe for this. This bottom part could be a skirt, but honestly, this is kind of a heavy dress. Like, I don't know if I would maybe be sweating in this a tad. I also have used and abused this dress, but I don't know. This could be a maybe. This is a dress, but I fully just like brought it down to my like hips, waist area, but I can't tell if this is cute or not. Yeah, no. I think she's not making the cut. ¿Eso está bonito? No.
Está bien, pero no está muy bonita. Así que digas, uy, qué precioso, pues no.
I was thinking, and I know I for sure would reuse these shorts because they're just so cute. So I think even though this would be a really simple outfit, like you can't go wrong. 14 outfits. We're getting somewhere. This is the problem with having such a mess and packing the way I'm deciding to, because now I can't find what I'm looking for. I cleaned up and I still can't find. Here they are. I'm thinking maybe I feel like an all black type of outfit and then a pop of color. I have this normal just black tank. I could do black tank. Ooh, that's cute. Is this cute or am I just delusional? Is that ugly? I can't. I don't know. I feel like the belt kind of adds something. I really like this too. This is really cute. Okay, so we definitely have sections. This is stuff that I'm probably taking most likely. This is more loungewear, like probably what I'm gonna wear to the airport slash like PJs and stuff. I'm gonna narrow it down. So right now I'm literally just gonna start folding and like putting stuff away, hanging it back up and like where it goes because she's just taking up space. But before I do, let's stalk my boyfriend. He moves sections. Interesting. Suitcase is the beige carry-on, but I just know I'm not gonna be able to fit everything in a carry-on. We just thought that doing a checked bag and a personal item was just our best bet. It's heavy. Ooh, yeah, no. We are definitely gonna have to take a good amount out of this. This is the checked bag and honestly is not that heavy. I hope that my makeup doesn't add like 30 more pounds. My carry-on slash like personal item, I guess. And this is just like everything extra is literally what I'm gonna have on me. Like this is my outfit for the airport. Erase this from the picture and we're done.